So I don't usually narrate these hotel room walkthroughs, but seeing as this is such an insanely nice suite, I thought I would do a little walkthrough as I explore it. So this is just a little closet in the lobby slash hall area that actually goes to another room next door. This is the guest bathroom with the typical Japanese automated toilet. So this is like the entrance area with a master light switch. And then you go through into the lovely lounge area with incredible views. Have a little desk here with a very vintage style radio, which is kind of cute. And you have a little stationery. And you can send some letters to Santa or loved ones. Lovely traditional style tea set. Let's see if this opens. Oh, it does. Oh, it's a cable bag, alcohol sand gel, typical of the time. It's in here. Safety procedures, very important. And then in this, all your headed paper. There's actually a fax machine. It's also a sign that this hotel has been around forever. What an incredible view. And cute welcome. In case you wanted to check out the view in close up. So the mini bar, which has been sanitized. Right, let's see. Oh, lovely. So some mango pudding. Lots of drinks. And then some coffee and tea station. Oh, very nice. A little sake. Peninsula blended Bordeaux. It's there. Does this open? Ah, that just pulls out. And then you've got your, cute, branded chocolate and snacks. Your Nespresso pods with some tea pods as well. Plenty of cups so you don't run out. And this lifts up to reveal the TV. Nice UK plugs and DVD player. Incredible view, although not of the building works next door. So that's the lounge area. And then we have the bedroom. So you have this spacious wardrobe with your fitness stuff, yoga mat, stretching pole, very important slippers, all your shoe polish stuff. But this is only part of this incredible walk-in wardrobe with lots of drawers for your hairdryer. It's a Dyson one. And with windows so you can see exactly what's inside. And then this is a little drawer for your makeup. Here is your laundry bag, and then more storage space. And then here you've got your traditional Japanese outfits, in case you wanted to lounge around. You have, this is cute. Okay, this is a little valet box, so you put whatever you want in it, and then you press the button and it goes to the valet. So you can put your shopping in there and it gets delivered straight up to your suite. So then you have another cupboard for more clothes or whatever, your suitcase. And then you have the incredible bathroom, which you've got a shower with the monsoon shower and a little seating area with Peninsula branded beauty products. And then all your other amenities, from nail to hairbrush, dental kit, shower cap, all the usual stuff. And then it's just an empty drawer here. Oh, that one doesn't open. And then lots of fluffy towels. Peninsula blended, of course. All your buttons for blinds. You've got your phone and radio, very important. That's your little TV with the time, so you know what time it is and whether it's time to get up. A little moisturizer. Lots of drawers again, and lots of mirrors, very bright. And here is your other toilet. Automatically opens, obviously. And then you've got your Western style bathrobes. I've just got my luggage there. And then if you go next door into the bedroom, which is incredibly spacious again. And in every room there's these amazingly detailed light switches. So here is your charging points. So there's all these touches that are a mix between vintage and new. So obviously this charger, air charger, is for wireless charging, but then you've got, you know, a fax machine. And this stand for your jacket so you don't get your suit wrinkled. Lots of little artwork. Another sanitized station with your cup. What's in here? It's just empty at the moment. And then you've got your other TV. And then you've got your mini bar, again, with more soft drinks. And I actually have no idea what that is. I think it's a speaker. And then you've got another desk here if you wanted to do some more work before you went to bed. You've got some USB chargers on this side as well. And then this incredibly complicated looking control panel that you can choose your air conditioning, entertainment, everything in English and Japanese. Lots and lots of international plugs, so you can, yeah, basically not have to use your adapter. And again, incredible views. Very, very, very spacious. I usually end these videos on a room shot, but as this is so big, I think let's go back into the lounge area, because what a view.